To work with a subset of your data, you need to first select the data that you want to use. If you want to select multiple fields in Schema Workbench, press and hold the Command key on Mac or the Control key if you use Windows, while clicking the fields you want to select. The same thing works in the Table view. Press and hold the Command key and click cells to add them to the selection. You can also press and hold Shift to select a range of cells. Click a column header to select all the cells in that column. The Bubble Workbench uses the same convention. Press and hold the Command key while clicking on bubbles to add them to the selection. To select all bubbles inside an area, hold down the Alt key, click, drag, and click again. Click Command A to select all bubbles shown in the view. In the scatter plot, dots can be selected in the same way as bubbles in the bubble view. Either through Command-click to select individual dots, or by holding down the Alt key while selecting an area. If you're using contours, click a contour to select it. Use Command-click to add more contours to the selection. Contour selection is equivalent of selecting all the values located inside the contour, even if just a sample of them are displayed as dots in the view.